Hello, ladies and gents, and welcome back to Coding Things. It's on the channel. Dark Phoenix here again, and today we're taking a little break from the free code camp tutorial stuff to do an independent project from the Odin Project, actually, because I've been working on their stuff for a while. I've just left the projects alone, even though I've gone through all the basic course material, because when I decided I wanted to start doing these videos, I wanted their projects to be a part of it. And I'm doing the sign-up form. Even though I've done a couple of sign-up forms before, this seemed like it was worth doing. Hang on, let me close Discord, just so there's a minimum of distractions. In fact, screw it, I'll close the folder for this project because we don't really need it open. Anyways, the purpose, as the name should tell you, is just to create a form for signing up. We're not actually going to connect it to a backend, it's just going to sort of be there. And I'm actually going to try something here that I don't usually do. We're going to attempt making this responsive, even though we haven't really done any of the responsive stuff inside of Free Code Camp yet. I usually make my stuff responsive because nowadays if you have a non-responsive website, people will laugh at you. Anyways, you can see on the right there I have the design image that the Odin Project gives you for this, and I've gone ahead and ahead of time gathered the various resources and stuff that we are going to be using. And I will be semi-regularly referencing the instructions they give you, so deal with that. Anyways, for a starter point, I went ahead and got the structure of the project generally set up before we started, just to avoid messing around with that a little. Although, I haven't put any of the actual contents in yet. Let's just get started the way I generally would, and we'll make... I don't know why I made that an H1. I want it to be a paragraph tag. There we go. Okay. They unfortunately do not give you anywhere you can copy the text from, so I will have to type it verbatim. Let's go. This is not a real online service. You know you need something like this in your life to help you realize your deepest dreams. Sign up now to get started. the title. And yeah, it's on there properly. Had to check. Then for the main, we will form it. Now, though there will be no action thing since we're not actually going to do anything with it. Form. Let's see. Field set. When it comes to emmet, something you can do that's really helpful. If you just want a div, you don't have to specify that it's a div. Like, watch this. Just type in the shortcut thing for if you want a class or an ID, and if you don't specify, it automatically assumes that should be a div, which is very helpful. Want it written. There we go. Name. Input. And it defaults to a type of text. Excellent. Then I will speed things along a little by just copying that one. Just below this and just change it up a little. Last name. Last name. Actually, I almost forgot this, but we want these fields to be required. In fact, everything's going to be required. So first name, last name, there's a check. Now we need another field set. Field set. Contact. Email div. I don't know why I type div in there so much. I know I don't need to, but I do it quite frequently anyways. I really need to work on that. Anyways, email div, so because this is the easy way to do it, it will gain me a bit of time. I'll copy one of these and I can just tweak it after. Last name. Email dash input, actually. email-label here. It can be the ID as well as the password. If I wasn't doing a form, I would not be using so many IDs, really, because it's generally not a great idea, I don't think. But the input type, we actually want to be email. Then I need to change this label to be written correctly. Is that supposed to be email? Now I will copy you into phone div. We just need to tweak some stuff. Much faster than writing it all from scratch every single time I need something new like this. And there's definitely more efficient ways to do it. If I thought about it, I would have used Emmet to speed this up originally, but I didn't, so I'm just going to do it like this. Actually, I will remove type and go back, because this is that is a class we can use, or a type, I should say. Password div. Go. Then I will copy this. Set up, I can copy it twice. Password input. Label. Okay. You. Password. Now. We have a password type, which is very helpful. Now I can copy this because we need a second password for confirming it, since enter password twice is a thing. Password div confirm. That's what I'll do for all of these. We'll just add confirm at the end. Should do it. And now, after that field set, we need a submit button. Present.